everybody. This is a very interesting day because today is like art everywhere. And tonight we're gonna head down to downtown Orlando because Immerse is happening yet again. But I wanted to come check out this little thing that's happening in like right around the corner from me. It's another art festival, so should be interesting. Unless you have to pay for the event, then I'm turning around and like leaving for good. So a lot of these booths are very reminiscent of like how it was set up and film everybody's art, because I don't want them to be mad at me. So it's different because you see like a bunch of his art right here. It's pretty neat.
That's David, thank you.
Okay, I got invited to try this swing. But you got to step on this thing, and then he told me I got to like sit a certain way.
How much are they? 2,000, 3,000?
Like I got to sit this way, swing my legs over. Oh, this is cool. I want to swing. Now the real trick is to figure out how I get it off. Does it just like swing like with my own momentum? Like, hello, hello. This is fun. All right, we'll spin the wheel. I could have won $500 Apple gift card, but I'm not a homeowner. Soon. Oh, soon. One day.
Yeah.
But I can get sunglasses. Hooray! This is an interesting booth because they have like all sorts of different like foods here. They got a Chicago-made 10-inch Italian sausage and funnel cakes and a bucket of fries. I'm more interested in this one. Homemade chips with cheese and bacon, the heart attack. This is the heart attack?
Oh yeah.
Holy moly! How much is that?
That one is 12 with the cheese and bacon. We do just cheese for 10 and plain for 8.
Oh wow. Look at the bucket of fries. They give you an entire bucket of them. So they gave me like a free toothbrush, a toothpaste, and a koozie. I don't know what they're trying to tell me. And I don't know if I should take offense to it.
Now you do-si-do!
I got a do-si-do now. Do-si-do. Just imagine there's somebody else do-si-doing. That works. Here we are, downtown Orlando. Immerse is setting up. It's going to happen. Of course it's going to happen. Sad thing is that there's rain clouds above us, so that's scary. Because I didn't bring the other backpack for Big Mama Jamma, but Bryan's down here, so we're gonna try to meet up with Bryan. Let's check out some of the exhibits. So it's me and Bryan. Marks the second year of Immerse downtown Orlando. It seems a lot bigger now this year. VIP experience. And we get to go into the Corksicle exhibit and sit front row for all the shows like Blue Man, I think he said Diablo or something. Yeah. So you get to check all that fun stuff out.
There's like 300-400 different performances and art installations.
Yeah, even just kind of walking down here, you can see all the little artwork, which is fantastic. So pretty hyped. I'm actually pretty hyped about Corksicle.
Nice.
about on the other side? All right, he's gonna go over there. There's the set, as if there was like a TV show going on. You can look like back. Here's the entire set, like a couple of movies, pictures. It's like I'm just walking on a TV set, and we're just kind of hanging out.
Something here to see. What is that?
First things first, we're going through the Corksicle. Last year, this was the longest line, hardest one to get into. Now we're going into it first. Well, not first. A lot of people have already beat us to it, but this should be a lot of fun. It's exciting. Oh. Let's go. Oh! Oh! I'm stuck. And I'm buried in balls.
So let me find some strangers.
Is table talk. We can actually talk to strangers. Yeah, that's my buddy. We talk all the time. So so me and Dina, we're gonna hang out now. And the rain came, so made our seats wet. Okay.
It might go off in the middle with a thought. If you find that you want to keep talking, you're welcome to do so. Whenever you're ready to carry on with the next 5 minutes, you just turn it over.
Oh, okay.
Press this button, and it'll automatically start.
Oh, interesting. That way we did the table talk. My new friend Dina. I think I got her name right. But it was like a nice 15-20 minute conversation with these cards. Super fun. I had a good time.
I did too. I thought it was really great.
Now when I see Dina, I know, and now when I see Dina, I'm gonna go, hey Dina.
That's right.
And then she's gonna know, hey Shawn, da 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 da. Have a good time. All right, we're gonna continue to walk around now. Oh, we gotta put the cards back in that little. And I had a casualty in table talk.
What happened?
My glasses, the ones I just got, broken. I just got these glasses, but
I set them now.
huh? I know, right? Oh, the lens is already gone. I'm gonna trash it. This is what I get. I was gonna ask her what this is about, but you know what? We're gonna go in unknowing.
There you go.
That's
and then
it.
you can get food at the end of it.
Woo! Food! All right. Alrighty, it smells delicious. Oh, what? Wow. This is super cool. Look at all that. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is neat. This is interesting. It's just like, oh, wow. Okay, so they're actual fruit that you can actually pick up. Like it's supposed to be like you're in a Asian market. Oh, this is, and you can just kind of touch the peppers and all the other little things. This is interesting. It's a pop-up sing-along experience right through in here in the sack. Oh, I can come in. We're gonna sing something, eh?
We're gonna sing something.
Hey, let's go.
For a moment ago and the light. What a day this has been. A brand new dumb quiet. Almost like being in love. That's the chorus, you learn. There's a smile on my face. For the whole new rain is quiet. Almost like
Being in love.
all the music of life seems to be like a bell that is
I'm off.
ringing.
I'm off. I'm off beat. I was that guy, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
When that bell starts to beat, I swear I was falling. It's almost like
It's falling. It's almost like falling in love.
it's
Almost like being in love. Hey! I got split up with Bryan. He's currently at the main stage because Blue Man is about to come back on, or come on for the first time. And luckily we get to sit up front because of the VIP passes. So that's where I'm headed now, so we can check out Blue Man. That's happening right here, like literally for free if you're here, downtown Orlando. This is as close as we are to the stage. Blue Man's coming in about an hour, but there's the stage right here. Pretty close.
Front row.
Front row for Blue Man. How cool.
Whatever they do, because I've never seen them perform on the street festival.
Yeah, and it's crazy because like the people behind right here, they can see the same performance. They're absolutely free of charge.
I didn't hear what you said.
I said they can see the performance right here, free of charge, but it's getting loud.
It's hard to do this.
Yeah, that's true.
As you move to the beat, try to sync up with the other members of your group and develop a few choreographed dance moves.
For the abridged Blue Man group, that was a fun show.
It was fantastic.
That was the first time you ever saw it, which encourages you to go to Universal Studios to see them for realsies. But it was a lot of fun. They did the marshmallow gag, but they have more gags and fun.
You're on the street of Orlando. I mean, it's
Yeah, right down
not
here.
gonna do the same thing. Interact with the audience, play, throw paint at them.
Right. By the way, Gringo's Tacos is doing a pink shell taco because it's October, it's breast cancer awareness. This is Bryan's first time at Gringo's Tacos.
First time.
Welcome to your new addiction, bro.
Hey, brother. Hey, listen here. Yeah.
Bradley Cooper, what'd you get? Bradley Cooper, what'd you get?
I'm eating pinchos. Pinchos. What do you call these in English? Oh, skewers.
The skewers.
We're eating pinchos.
Pinchos?
That's how we say it in Venezuela.
JP, how's your skewers?
These are the best skewers I've ever had tonight.
Right. From Hawkers.
I went to a hawker center in Singapore. Did you know that's where it originated?
Really?
Yeah.
Hawkers Center.
They have over like 100 stalls of like hawker street food.
No way.
Yeah, it's really
I need to get to Singapore.
I would recommend everyone go to Singapore.
Everybody get to Singapore. JP, I gotta see this burger of yours, because this is real art right here. Look at that.
The bacon. The bacon looks painted.
You see that bacon? Nice.
Some bacon.
Hey, Bradley Cooper, promote your channel, your TikTok.
Tell me something. Lorena Pages.
Lorena Pages.
Lorena Pages. And it's called
on TikTok.
On TikTok. On YouTube it's Lore and G. But also it's Lorena Pages because she wears pants in this video.
Yeah. You hear that? You wear the pages. The pants. You wear the pages. You wear the pages and
PJs.
the PJs. You're gonna do this like this? Ready? Same time?
No, I'm gonna feed you.
Oh, good.
All right, we're friends. We ain't
like
family. That's good, right?
That's fantastic. Let's go. Twerk on Mark Wahlberg again. Twerk on him. Mark Wahlberg, did you enjoy it?
He's my friend.
And he doesn't have much to say. We'll take it. We're out of Immerse. We're shutting it down.
Oh no!
We're walking down Wall Street right now.
We got kicked out.
We got kicked out of Immerse?
We did.
All right, that's it. We're done.
But we do have some leftover food.
Wahlburgers.
Thanks, French guy.
But that's it. We're done. We're sick of it. We're out.
It was amazing. It was beautiful. We got really good pictures for Instagram.
That too.
The best. Don't fall.
What?
Oh,
No, you don't fall.
Double you don't fall either. Yes.
We're
Go
out.
up one step.
Hey, if you like that video, check out this video over here. Or look at this video over here. Smash that subscribe button, baby.